like being on a clown car. It's raining. What the hell? Nice. Well, I'm out here riding around on my brand new bike and it started raining. How you like that? Got me a Z125. Brand spanking new, brought her home with half a mile on the odometer. Now she's getting wet. Awesome. This thing is like ridiculously fun. I don't want to take the corner too fast with it raining. I need to turn around and head home. I don't want to get this thing all nasty already. Even though we are planning on racing it, I guess. And maybe it quit. I don't know. This thing's stupid fun though. I tell you what, I don't care what size bike you got, get one of these little jokers. It is so much fun. It's just you just grin the whole time. Now, I shouldn't be going as fast. It's still in the break-in period. I will say the mirrors are almost useless on this thing though. Yeah, if you just want to smile a lot, not go fast, this is the bike. I tell you what, these things are stupid fun. They're so nimble and light, and everybody smiles at you and waves at you. I don't know why. I don't know why I look at my mirrors, I'll see my arms. Yeah, these things are crazy fun though. Golly, I should have got one of these years ago. This is where this thing's fun, is little subdivisions and shit. If I lived in a subdivision, this thing would be awesome. I mean, it feels like you're going a million miles an hour. We're doing 30. It's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing 35. It seems like I'm doing a million. This thing is stupid. Yeah, I can't wait till this break-in period gets over and we can ring this thing out. Golly, that's gonna be fun. We're gonna do some crazy stuff. I mean, technically, I'm already pulling more RPMs than I should on the break-in, but you ain't got a choice on this stupid thing, you know? I'm trying to think where all I could go with this thing and keep the RPMs kind of somewhat low. Can't think of too many though. Except explore subdivisions. I don't think I've ever been in this one. Might as well explore it. bikes are so much fun. Huh, that's a dead end. I'll be damned. That's good though. Varied at RPM for the break-in. Why does the sidewalk look inviting when I'm on this little bike? I don't understand. I never felt that way before. The little kid's like, what in the hell is he riding? So 45 miles an hour is right at 6,500 RPM on this thing. Just don't tell the Kawasaki dealer, because that's not the proper break-in procedure. I'm about to say the hell to break-in procedure and just run this thing like I stole it. It is impossible to do their break-in procedure. It'll take you 10 years as a normal person to get it broke in. I've also never owned anything where I hit the turn signal and I was pretty confident they came on.